Hi, my name is Madison Bird. I'm 15 years old and I'm with the Stars Talent Studio. Have you ever had a friend that just won't leave you alone? I have this new friend, Paige. And she will call me 50 times just to say hello. If you make plans with her, forget it. She will call you 100 times. I don't know if she's lonely or she doesn't have friends or even family. Strange. She's my neighbor and I just keep on bumping into her. She is so punctual. It makes me so angry. I'm talking second to the minute. There's nothing wrong with being punctual. It's just, I don't know, I'm sorry. I'm just ranting. It's just, I feel like when I hang with her, it's to please her, not me. Is that wrong of me? I don't have to deal with this crap in my life. I just hope this doesn't turn out to be one of those fatal attraction incidents where I just don't need the police involved. Leave it to me to make friends with a nut job.